Hey guys, I'm Steve, founder of Backridge Tough, and this is our 8-inch folding saw. So let's go over some of the key features. First off, up top we have an all-metal construction design for our latching system. It's so strong you can drive over it with a truck, where you won't have to worry about the handle breaking, the blade bending. Just clean it off and you're ready for the next adventure. They'll easily cut limbs off a tree, or even cut down a small tree. Our saws are built tough and made to last. In fact, you can hack through a tree if you need to. And after that, because of the high quality SK5 steel blade, you can still saw through the tree with no problem. The metal latch holds the saw shut, so that way if it's in a pack bouncing around with things that you care about, they won't get destroyed. There's no teeth exposed when it's closed, nothing to grab a hold of. And when the saw is open, it's firm. There's no rattling, there's no shaking. The saw is good to go. Next we have our rubber handle. The rubber handle is nice and soft and easy to grip. Your hand's not going to lose contact. It's not going to slip when you're sawing down a tree. You're not going to have to worry about your hand sliding up and cutting yourself on the blade. We have a hole in the bottom where you can attach a strap so you can hang it from your hip, hang it from a backpack, hang it from a tree, whatever you need to do. So we have the screw in the latch itself, which is adjustable. So if you want your saw to open nice and firm, you can tighten it up. If you like to have your saw so it'll flow really easy, you can loosen it up. The bright red handle is not only good looking, but it's very easy to spot if you put it on the ground, hang it on a tree, and it makes it much easier to find. If you want a high quality saw for a really great price, definitely check out the Backridge Tough 8-inch folding saw.